Ready to take your pool's clarity to the next level? Add new HTH Brilliance Cal Hypo Chlorine tablets to your pool care routine for clearer, blue water. Just drop the Brilliance Cal Hypo Tabs into the HTH Brilliance Chlorine Floater. Our floater is specially designed to evenly spread our tabs, giving you better quality water to enjoy. Plus, unlike Tri Chlor tabs, our Brilliance Cal Hypo Tabs contain no CYA, preventing chlorine lock, so your chlorine stays effective for longer. You can also use the Brilliance Cal Hypo Tabs in your skimmer. And for even better results, you can use the HTH Skimmer Basket Insert for easy debris cleanup. Whichever treatment system you use, HTH Brilliance Cal Hypo Tabs deliver visibly bluer water all week, giving you more time to make the most of your sparkling pool. For consistently brilliant results, choose the better chlorine.